Welcome to English in 1 minute. Today, we will learn English through a fun story. In this story, you'll hear simple English sentences, perfect for beginners. Let's start the adventure with Yasser as he explores the forest.
It was a sunny morning. Yasser woke up early.
Good morning, world. Today is a perfect day for an adventure.
He ate breakfast quickly. He packed a small bag with water, bread, and a map.
I'm ready. Let's go to the forest.
Yasser walked to the forest. The trees were tall and green. Yasser walked slowly. He saw flowers and small animals. A squirrel ran across his path.
Wow, this forest is beautiful. I can hear the birds singing.
Yasser looked at his map. He wanted to find the hidden waterfall.
According to the map, I should turn left at the big oak tree.
He walked carefully. Suddenly, he heard a sound.
Who's there?
A small rabbit jumped out from the bushes.
Oh, it's just a rabbit. Hello.
Yasser came to a river. The water was clear and cold.
How can I cross the river?
He saw some big rocks in the water.
I can jump from one rock to another. Ooh! London!
Yasser carefully jumped. Splash! He almost fell but kept his balance.
Phew, that was close. I need to be careful.
After walking for a while, Yasser met another boy in the forest.
Hi, I'm ارسلان. What's your name? I'm Yasser. Nice to meet you. I'm looking for the waterfall. Me too. Maybe we can go together.
Yasser and ارسلان followed the map. They saw signs of the waterfall, wet rocks and birds flying near water.
I think we are close. Yes. Listen, I can hear the water.
Finally, they arrived. A beautiful waterfall appeared in front of them. Water fell from high rocks and sparkled in the sun.
Wow! This is amazing! It's so beautiful! Let's take a picture!
They drank water, rested, and enjoyed the view. Birds sang, and butterflies flew around.
I'm so happy we came here together. Me too! Adventures are better with friends.
After a while, the boys decided to return home.
It's getting late. We should go back. Yes, way. Yes, My parents will be worried.
They walked back carefully. Yasser remembered the rocks in the river and helped ارسلان cross.
Be careful.
Finally, they left the forest and returned home safely.
Today was an amazing adventure. I'll never forget it. Me neither. Let's explore again soon.
Yasser learned that adventures are fun, but safety is important. And the best part of any journey is friendship. That's the end of today's story. Keep practicing English and join us next time for another adventure.